Valentine. Charlie, Valentine is here once again, and today we are in UCC. We are coming to ask the girls what are they expecting for Valentine's Day. Charlie, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. Let's get into the video. Okay, we have one beautiful lady here with some nice HB and some Adidas stuff. Please, I'm Solomon, and you are?
I'm Ohinowa.
You are Ohinowa.
Oh my God!
Okay, so Ohinowa, the question is very simple. What are you expecting for Valentine? Since Valentine is just around the corner.
I'm not expecting anything actually.
You are not expecting anything.
Yeah.
Why is it that? Why?
Like why?
Nothing. I mean, I'm not fan of Valentine, so
You are not fan of Valentine.
Mhm.
So, but you are not expecting anything. Does that mean that you don't have a boyfriend, or you are not simply expecting anything from your boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
You don't have a boyfriend.
Yeah.
He'll shock you. Don't worry.
So if Charlie, you don't have a boyfriend though.
Bites.
Okay, there are a lot of guys out there who would like to take you out on a Valentine Day. Are you down for it?
No, I'm just a busy person.
That one we are not going to tolerate at all. At all.
So yeah, it's about work and school. So if no work, I mean, I'm in school.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are a busy person. So if someone wants to take you out on a Valentine Day, that person there
Yeah.
bounce, no.
Yeah, like I'll be busy, yeah, because I'll go to work in the morning and in the evening I had to study because UCC
Okay.
a bit complicated. Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
So what are you getting for what are you going to give out on Valentine? Like what are you also going, since you are not expecting anything, that doesn't mean that you won't give out anything on Valentine Day. So what are you going to give on Valentine?
Okay, I have some chocolates I'll give around my colleagues. I mean, I love chocolate,
You
so
love chocolate.
maybe yeah.
Okay, so there are a lot of guys out there who would like to give you some chocolate as well, since you love chocolate. So can they DM you, or can we get your social so that they'll come in contact with you and give you some chocolate since you like chocolate?
How are they going to give it to me?
Oh, Charlie, there are some guys around campus, and then there are a lot of guys around Cape Coast here who are watching, and then they would like to give you some chocolate since you like chocolate.
Okay, well, I mean that's okay. But my Facebook handle is Miss Ohinowa Candy Bell.
Miss Ohinowa Candy Bell.
Yeah, so the Miss is capital MZ and then Ohinowa and then Candy Bell. Yeah.
Okay, that's the only point in contact that they can just contact you easily.
Yeah, sure. I think.
Okay, we have one beautiful lady here with some nice shades B with some braids. Okay, please, I'm Solomon, and you are? Gladys. She's called Gladys, right? So Gladys, so I just want to ask you, what are you expecting? Just Valentine Day is just around the corner. What are you expecting for Valentine?
I'm not expecting anything.
You are not expecting anything.
He'll shock you.
Why don't you have a boyfriend or something?
I have, but I'm not expecting anything.
God have mercy upon us.
You're not expecting anything from your boyfriend.
Yeah.
Hey, do some like a girl of your caliber, do they still exist?
Oh, child mine.
You have a boyfriend.
Yes.
Okay, so that day, do you like to be with your boyfriend, or you just want to? Would you like to spend time together with your boyfriend, or spend some alone time?
I think I'll be going to the workplace.
You're going to
Workplace.
the workplace. You'll be going to the workplace. Okay, so that's why you are not expecting anything. Charlie, I beg make you look sharp. And she says she's not expecting anything from you.
You get it?
Okay.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Okay. Okay. So what are you giving to your boyfriend, or what will you also be giving to your boyfriend, since you are not expecting anything?
I think I will just give him a surprise gift.
A surprise gift, like
But the gift, it is going to be a surprise, so I can't tell.
Allah fan boy.
like it's going to be a surprise, so you can't tell. Oh, okay, okay. Charlie, make you look sharp. Oh.
You get it?
Okay, we have one beautiful lady here. Please, I'm Solomon, and you are?
My name is Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa. Charlie, Mona Lisa. Okay, so Mona Lisa, we just want to ask you some few questions. Valentine Day is just around the corner. So what are you expecting for Valentine?
Okay, I'm not really expecting anything, but if it's something I want, I like to say money
Chiromu. Ay, bad.
or black roses. That's what I'd like.
Money or black roses?
Yes, and with the roses, it shouldn't be a bouquet. I just want one piece, like just one.
One.
Yeah, just one black rose.
Going.
So it would be really nice to get it.
Why not the bouquet bat?
I don't really like flowers, but my favorite color is black. So I felt like, oh, if I have a black flower, you see, I can substitute what I don't like with what I like.
Okay.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Okay, so with the money, no, should it also be in a bouquet, or you have a money bouquet or something like that?
Oh, you see, with money bouquet, it's I don't know. You are putting pressure on the person, so what you have is what you can give, right?
Okay.
Not too much,
Okay.
not too little.
Sit down. Go back.
So it's a somewhere around 300 above, like something like that. Yeah.
I'm not here you speaking loud. As I'm not here you speaking loud. Say it again.
So anything below 300 there,
Oh no, I would still accept it, but that's the bar.
that's the bar.
That one we are not going to tolerate at all.
As much as you can give, it's okay. But then, if you ask me what I want, I'll say 300 cedis and above.
300 cedis and above.
Yeah.
So when you get the 300 cedis and above, the black roses and that one, what are you also going to give in return?
Okay, it depends. If the person is around here, I'd probably take him out.
You probably take
Yes, it's one of my fantasies to go to like on an official date, like take my boyfriend to a restaurant. So if the person is here, irrespective of the fact that they are my boyfriend or not, I would still like to take them out.
Kasa from Majo.
Because what you give to the world is what you get back.
Okay.
And that's how it works.
I love that. Insta corner is Samba. So what if the person is not here?
Oh, if the person is not here, I probably put the money aside for later. If we do have the chance to link up later, then we'd probably go out. Yeah, yes. But then I would take the person that gives the money to me out, not someone else.
Are you silly? This is a woman.
Yes. Obi engaged man, Obi baby benefit. That sounds like.
I know there are a lot of guys out here, like this one particular person. He would like to DM you. Please, can I get any of your social media handles so that they can send you the black roses and then the money bouquet?
Oh, okay. With social media, I'm on Instagram, but I think I would have to take your number and then send the username to you because it's really not off head. Oh,
Going.
Very nice conversation, having a conversation with you. Okay, so I'll put your Instagram on there.
Yeah.
Anyone, please, I beg. Make fun to also pay pressure. I beg you guys. I know how you feel pressure the girls. I beg. Also, they will go out too. So make you look shy. Me myself, you see me in your DM.
all right. I've heard you.
Okay, thank you very much for
And thank you too.
Okay.
Bye.
Bites.
Okay, we have one beautiful lady right here with some natural hair. Please, I'm Solomon and you are?
Esther.
Esther. Okay, Esther, the question is very simple. What do you want for Valentine's Day?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yes.
And I didn't have.
Upon all the many gifts that you could have requested, why do you want chocolate?
Because it's sweet and that's my favorite.
Are you silly?
Because it's sweet and that's your favorite.
Yes.
Why you like money?
Money. I like money, but I prefer the chocolate.
You prefer the chocolate to money?
Yeah.
Shock you. Hey, Charlie, this is serious. So you prefer the chocolate to money? Okay, so there are a lot of guys out there who like to give you chocolate, like plenty. So when they give you or when they get you the chocolate, now what are you going to give them in return?
Nothing.
How are you telling me this?
Nothing.
Yes.
Hey, it's just give you the chocolate and one no.
Yes.
That one we are not going to tolerate at all. At all. At all. I've said.
Oh, okay. When they get you the chocolate, you know, answer me that, and then you just take your chocolate. Okay, so there are other guys also out there. There's this one bad boy. This boy, he's called Paddy. He would like to take you out on a date on Valentine's Day. Are you down for it?
Yes.
Down for it.
Yes.
So okay, fine. Let's get your social media handle, your Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, where they can contact you so that they will just DM you.
Okay, so me, like, I use WhatsApp frequently, so
You use WhatsApp frequently.
yeah.
So you are okay giving your number out, or
Sure.
you're okay?
Yeah.
That boys be free. Oh.
Uh,
you submit to me. I continue pressure. No, you are okay.
Yes.
Bites.
Okay, so then let's have your number.
Okay. 0247
0247
88
88
95
95
26
66
26.
26.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. Tell the boys be free.
I'm okay.
You're okay,
Yes.
okay. Thank you very much for
You're
participating.
welcome.